guys, and welcome back to my channel, Brown Eyes on a Budget. And today I'm going to be doing a Christmas DIY. We're going to be making a sign. So if you're interested in seeing this DIY, then stay tuned. The first thing you're going to need to make this sign is something to draw on, some type of paper. I'm using this black chalkboard contact paper that I had left over from a previous project. You're also going to need something to put your sign in. I'm using this, my trusty dusty white picture frame that I DIY'd for a Thanksgiving project or a fall project that I did. And you're also going to need some scissors. I have two pair of these Betty Crocker scissors that I got from Dollar Tree. I use one pair for my projects, and I use one pair for, you know, when I'm in the kitchen cutting up my meat and stuff. You're also going to need some type of drawing pencil or something to, you know, write on your, whatever you're writing on. I'm using this ornament ball marker I got from Dollar Tree. This reminds me of like a little chalkboard paint marker. So I love this. And you're also going to need something to measure out how big for your picture frame. So I'm using this. Y'all remember this? This is what I did in my fall DIY. So I'm just going to use this because it's the perfect size for my frame to trace around. So let's get started. Y'all, this is real easy. Like I said, I will never give y'all anything that's more than a few steps, because I don't be wanting to sit up there and do all them steps my dadgum self. Alright, so I'm going to measure it. Find out how much you need to cut. So mine's going to be here, 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 and here. Alright guys, let me get this to cutting this out. And I will be right back to show you the next step. Okay guys, once you have cut out your contact paper or whatever you're using to fit the size of your picture frame, what you're going to do now is put whatever saying on your paper that you want, like "Let It Snow" or "Merry Christmas" or something to that effect. So for me, I'm going to be doing a "Baby, It's Cold Outside." So that's what I'm going to be drawing. And if I don't like it, I might have to let my husband. Like I said, he's an artist, and he draws a little bit better than me, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So as long as you like it. I love this marker, y'all. It writes so nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is how my little sign is looking. Y'all see this? "Baby, it's cold outside." That's basically it. You write whatever you want to write on your little sign. You could draw little doodads on there if you want to. Some little snowflakes. Something that resembles a snowflake. Oh goodness. Y'all, I am no expert on no drawing or nothing else, but you know, hey, as long as you're having fun with it, it doesn't matter. And I always have fun with mine. So I put some little snowflakes on there, if y'all can see that. And then all you do is, now with my picture frame, I don't have a glass in it for reasons that my son, he likes to mess with stuff. But y'all have y'all's glass. So what I usually do with my picture frames, I just put like a piece of cardboard in the back to make it, you know, come up to the rest of the frame. So I'm going to assemble this, and then I'll come back and show you the project. Okay guys, this is my finished product. My baby is cold outside sign that I made, and I decided to put a little embellishment on it. I decided to go with the little buffalo plaid ribbon. I thought it was cute right there. But yeah, this is the finished product, and I did go ahead and insert the little glass in here. After I get done using this, where I'm going to use, I'm going to put it up high on a shelf that my son can't reach. But yeah, that is it. And you have your baby is cold outside. Simple and easy, honey, y'all. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell twice so that you can be reminded of any future videos that I do upload. And thank you to all my new and old subscribers for watching and supporting my channel. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.